Hello and welcome to FX Addicts, a weekly update for currency markets. Today is March 30th, 2012, the end of March, and this is Tim, the Currency Professor. Well, not a whole lot of action as far as change goes, but certainly a lot of action today. And for the week, certainly a lot of action and really ending up nowhere. The euro today up 27 pips as we're coming into the close, and we are up slightly on the week. If we can look here at the dailies, we can see how we're still very much within the same range that we've been at pretty much since January. We're really not progressing much. We do have a slight little upward movement here going. There doesn't seem to be a whole lot of conviction to it, though. If we look at the weeklies, we can see we've been up 3 weeks now, and we're right here on this upper channel line. So we would really need to close significantly above this channel line to make a difference here, and for this market to really make a solid upward move. And it does not look like it's going to do that right now. The last 3 weeks action now, not very big ranges, not a whole lot of conviction there. We look at the monthlies, we can see how this month is still slightly positive, just barely, but it has had quite the range, and really we're still well within this this downward trend here. So really don't look for that to change. The British pound today, right now we're up about 29 pips on the day. We did spike up and make new lows for this move, so there is certainly a lot of momentum here. The question is, can it continue into the new month? And this has been, again, a very large consolidation area, and there doesn't seem to be a whole lot of conviction to this move. It seems like there's a lot of speculation that things are going to get better in Great Britain, and then there seems to be a lot of selling pressure as we move up. On the weekly basis, though, we are closing just about where we were for some highs about 5 weeks ago. A little spike high there that made us turn around for a week or so. And we have now closed, or we will close probably today, just above that. So that is a slightly positive sign. So we could run all the way up here to about 162.50, 163. And then on the monthlies, if we look at the monthlies, well, it really doesn't make that much difference here on the monthlies. We could run all the way up to 165, 166 on the monthlies and still not be anything more than consolidating from this large move down and eventually move down further. So overall, longer term, still bearish, but we could rally a little bit more here. U.S. dollar against the Swiss franc up about 30 pips. I'm sorry, down about 30 pips today. And we've had this kind of stair step down here off of this double high back here. And we're still really right now in kind of a decisive area. We should probably sell off slightly more and get down into this about the 89.50 area, maybe 88, 89, 89.50 area. So we get down into there, that would test these lows. Then it's very possible that we could work our way higher from there. Weekly now, this is the third week down. It really does look slightly bearish here, and looks like it could continue for a little bit. Monthly, though, still looks fairly positive. We're just pulling back a little bit. We had this spike low, so the lows are in, and we could come down a little bit more to test those lows and then certainly move higher. Japanese yen today, moving up a little bit. We're actually up 37 pips right now, almost taking back yesterday's loss. And all in all, we're doing some very nice consolidating here, and would really like to see it fall back maybe to 80.50, 81.50 area and trade around in there for a little while, and then we could certainly move back up and make new highs. On a weekly basis now, we are positive for the week, and it looks still looks very good longer term. We're just having a slight pullback here, and then probably another move higher to new highs. Monthly wise, still looks very good. We're closing out the month in a fairly decent position. So next month we could easily rally up to that 85, 86 area that we've been kind of expecting. Euro Swiss, well, I've blown up the weeklies here, I'm sorry, the dailies, so we can see it a little better. Today we're selling off pretty good, down about 14 pips, and almost making some new lows here on this latest big move. Really don't expect it to do anything more than what it is right now, and really expecting the Swiss National Bank probably to step in here and support it as they have in the past. So all in all, it still looks fairly good for a longer term play. Once we get above this little trend line that we have growing in here, which is about right now about 120.80 area. So if we closed significantly above that, like 121, 121.10 area, that would be very positive longer term, and it would set up a new upward trend. Euro yen up also today, up 72 pips right now. Really consolidating here very nicely, and looking for it to probably make another move up. This pattern right now on the weeklies is a little bit overdone and is in need of a pullback, but we'll have to see here how far that really does pull back. And on a monthly basis, well, we're ending up the month fairly well, and have now 2 months very strong. It looks like we'll probably next month, the month of April, run up here to about 113, 113.50 area, and that would be the upper end of the test on this slight trend line that we have. So at that point, I would expect it to turn around and come down and make new lows. This is now it'll be the third time that we get up into that area. So a test of the lows then after that, and probably even new lows would certainly be warranted. Of course, that's very long term. So we're looking for right now for it to move up just a little bit here to about 113, 114. And that is all I have for you. Certainly visit www.fxaddicts.com and feel free to contact me. I'd be more than happy to answer questions for you or help you out or discuss markets with you at any time. So thank you.